Well, on the way out here, Jerry was saying he thought I had 3 or 4 feet of water in here, but looks like I'm really not too bad. But I'm gonna hoist it up, and of course that other wheel might, no, it's not in the bearings either. So I'm gonna hoist it up and put it on my stands. I don't know how my H5 wings are doing. Looks like they might be a little bit under. Yeah, it's just to them. I wish I could get them to the van, because then I could put them in the back of the van.
Well, I don't think you can do that, man. Put them up on that trailer. Maybe you're going to get more higher than that.
Well,
can you just set them on that trailer?
Yeah, I guess, as long as they don't get any higher, I guess. But heck, my wheels aren't in the...
You got to do the best you can do. Yeah, you're in good shape.
Yeah, and my tail's already off the ground, so... So, anyway, there's a not so good a video for you guys. Take care, and there you go. God bless.